I think we're just gonna have lunch.
He bailed out ahead. Oh, over here with the guys running for the A line at the gondolas. No.
We're gonna do an animal lap.
No, I'm right behind you. Yeah, wait for me at the top. All right.
You going to crank it up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are y'all doing crank it up or what?
Yeah, they are. We're gonna go mess around. Okay. There you go. Have fun. Have fun. Hey, you guys ready? Yeah. Rick, you ready? Drop it. You're up. Yeah, well, I'll just try and set them all. How deep you send it? Oh, that one? Yeah, pretty deep. Good. Jumping is not my strong.
No. I guess I'm gonna
We're doing Ninja Peter.
go down and I'll stop. Okay. I'll be ready. Oh man.
pretty deep. Pretty deep down there. I got the angle right here.
It's smaller than Drop the Hammer in Bentonville.
Yeah.
You don't have as much of a run out. So is this the angle from up there?
I was like, what trail are we on? 'Cause I didn't recognize it. So we are.
Lady on the wooden ladder bridge.
Yeah, we got a photo.
I had to put my elbows down as soon as I saw her.
I missed it because I didn't have my glasses. I only did nose roll. I want to go back and nose roll.
Pretty good drop here. So you send it and then like on the brakes immediately? Kind of?
Yeah.
But not like slamming on.
Well, yeah, I overshot it yesterday, so.
Oh, so you don't even have to go that fast. That's
No.
small. That's not that big.
No, it's small.
Yeah, I'd say the big thing is the right speed, and then when you land, you just gotta make the turn.
This is shrouded, dude.
Yeah.
Just blow your tire off. Fuck
Well, it's only an exo casing, so it probably will fall off.
it. Give me a ground control, like with just a control case, and I'll rip it. I ripped them at the anthills easily. Like, remember those tan walls I had?
Oh, they're about to go?
Hey, Jeff. Somebody's about to hit it. Watch this speed.
Just wait for them to go, Sky.
It's clear if you want to hit it. Phew! Get it! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Yeah!
Nice.
They threw 2 cranks.
Ryder!
Right here. Nice. Oh, yeah. Way to go, Avery.
That is sick.
How was it? Easy?
Nice job! That was really impressive.
I think I'm more stoked than they are.
Yeah.
Dude, I love drums.
On that little baby drop on top of my A-line,
Yeah.
the 2 rock rolls,
Yeah.
I just kind of jumped off of it.
Yeah.
I'm going to record
Yeah.
over sitting there, dude, and my helmet just goes.
Oh no, you're gonna get the POV.
So then my dog was
Probably
like
want to do a
here,
POV.
and like
I can get you with some.
I couldn't like adjust until I hit the
double up on that because you got the GoPro app, right? No, you don't have it on your phone because I was gonna say you can log on to my GoPro and take whatever footage you want. I can get you doing some shots here if you want.
Jeff, you ready?
We'll get that angle from this side.
Okay, good job. What do you think about it?
Dahlia broke her thumb.
Now that you've done it one time,
Let's go to the VR. I heard it's probably gonna run for it.
Yeah, that would be kind of ridiculous.
Avery, did you do it?
it was awesome. So now that you've done it, Avery, we can start kind of looking at better lines and doing the hole. Maybe landing slightly to the left here. It's gonna set us up better. And also get
I wonder if I could get him from down there.
From underneath?
Yeah.
You could. Nice.
go back up again. See how we can make this landing a bit smoother.
I've been up 3 times, I can't go up again.
Yeah, you don't have to, Ruby.
Are they coming back or?
I don't know if they
You guys
can.
are out of the trail, okay?
Oh, they can. They can hop out and walk up the path, but
Yeah. Aiming to land.
where it ate my lunch yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
Not here, but the other section.
Yeah. This bike doesn't take the berms as good as the other one did.
Longer?
Well, I think bigger wheels. I don't feel like it's longer, but maybe it is. The other one seemed to do a good job. I think it's straight up just wheel size. I don't know. I'm terrible at berms, so maybe I just felt better yesterday. Wait, is Rick coming down?
Rick said he's tempted on trying it. But
Oh, he's gonna.
no, he's
No.
I was waiting for that other couple to do the drop again. They were trying to shorten it out. Like, I want to kind of go from right to left so I have enough room for the berm. I'm like, that just sounds scary. Did Jeff complete it?
I don't know. I couldn't see. I couldn't hear. Oh, you need to raise your strap needs to go up.
Thank you.
There you go.
I wonder if it felt weird on my face.
He's leading.
I go. I mean, unless somebody else wants to go first. Okay. Here we go. Look at the shadows.
I just went with it. But I panicked in the air. I'm like, fuck.
Okay, we ready?
You can go behind Franny, Jeff. Let's see. That's how rowdy it is, man. It's kind of sketchy on doing stuff on
Alright.
not too rowdy. I think drops I'm not expecting.
Ho Chi Minh's that way. I guess we'll go Ho Chi Minh.
Okay.
Gotta go up a little bit.
What's this devil close?
I think it's closed.
Have you done any of these other ones?
Yeah, I've done them all. Afternoon July is pretty nice. But Tatiana's a little bit scary.
Where's Afternoon July?
Way down there, it's a black picture.
Beeline's like just one jump, right?
I think so, yeah. You guys want to do this? You're
fine.
the boss. You called this lap.
That's fine. We can do this beeline. I'm the boss.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.